How to control ringer with volume buttons on iPhone. Adjusting the ringer volume on your iPhone can be straightforward, but it depends on how you configure a specific setting. To get started, open the Settings app on your device and navigate to Sounds and Haptics. Here, you'll find a toggle labeled Change with Buttons. When this option is enabled, you can use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to adjust the ringer's volume directly. This allows for quick control, so you can easily increase or decrease the ringtone's loudness without diving into menus. However, if you turn this option off, the volume buttons will no longer control the ringer. Instead, they will adjust only the volume of media playback, such as music, videos, or other sounds from apps. This distinction is crucial because it allows you to separate the ringer volume from the general sound levels of your device. This feature can be incredibly useful depending on how you use your iPhone. If you prefer a consistent ringer volume while keeping control over media sound, disabling Change with Buttons might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you often need to adjust your ringtone's volume on the go, keeping it enabled offers maximum convenience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.